Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're back in ChatLLM Teams, and I am going to show you what happens when deep research meets PowerPoint. This AI does the work for you. It is incredibly powerful. It is literally one click, and you don't have to have any technical skills. It's going to blow you away. Let me show you a few examples. You're going to love it. All right, so here we are. We're logged into ChatLLM Teams. For those of you that are new to it, just click on the link in the description below. You're on your way. Here we go to create a PowerPoint presentation, and better yet, to do it with automation and deep research. This is the new tool that OpenAI has released and various other LLM labs to do it and combine the power of both of them. All you need to do here is click on PowerPoint Gen. This basically initiates deep research and automation, and then just type in your prompt. So here we go. Generate a PowerPoint about emerging AI applications and transforming customer experience in retail. You'll see how fast this has already started here. And then if we go through this here, it tells us what the topics could include: personalized shopping experience, computer vision. Yes, all of these things are great. It asks us the number of slides. It recommends 8 to 12 slides. Let's go with 8 because I don't want to bore you with too many slides here. I'm going to click on enter and watch this here. Look how fast this is going. It is doing research and giving us the research in real time here. Research on AI in retail. There it goes here. Here's the slide preview. Here's the title. Here's the second title for all of the pages. Everything that goes in these pages, it was done literally instantly. You can see that here. And better yet, when we get to the bottom here, it says, are you satisfied with this slide content before we move on to selecting a template? Again, keep in mind that this is literally 98% of the way automated. All you have to do is literally say yes or no and hit enter. So are we satisfied? In this case, we are not. And I'm just doing this to show you how you can go ahead and not just accept what the AI gives you. We can make edits and changes even before it gives us the presentation. So I'm going to say for the last slide, 8, please change, let's just go ahead and type in a quick one here. Please change hyper personalization to, I don't know, let's call this retail personalization. It was just a quick change here. I'm just showing you an example. I haven't really looked through this or thought this out too much here, but this is just to show you how good this is. I'm going to go ahead and click on enter and watch this. Here we go. It's updating the slide. It's telling us again exactly what's in the slide, and it's again asking us, is this satisfactory? Yes. Please proceed. Let's go. Literally, I didn't have to type in please proceed. All I had to type in was yes, but I'm used to typing in things. Here we go. We're still in the automation process. AI is running everything here. Let's go ahead now and see what it says. Okay, we have to select a PowerPoint presentation. So very importantly, you can select one of them. Now they've got a default one. They've got basic, modern, artsy, professional, and custom template. So I'm going to go ahead and select professional. But for those of you that are a little bit more, PowerPointy and you've got some technical skills and you want to bring in your own PowerPoint presentation, maybe you've got a company one or a branded one, it's literally just upload it. It is good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit on professional and watch this. It's going to go ahead and cook it for us. It's generating the PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to come back when it's done, show you what we got. I'm going to show you how you can edit it with prompts and AI, and then I'm also going to show you the final presentation inside PowerPoint. Be back in a second. All right, welcome back. So let's see what happens when you combine deep research and AI automation. Here we go. This is the first page here, emerging AI applications. Perfect. And it's got some nice colors. We selected the professional template. Again, though, you can always add your own custom template if you're so inclined. And let's just get through it here. So here we go. Here's the first page. Here's the second page. Left side here, we've got some info. Right side, we've got this nice little graphic style here. Source, Retail Industry Reports 2024. It even puts in the sources. How cool is that? All right, let's keep going through here. This adds in the nice cool little red color here on the left side. I'm liking it, guys. You see how easy this is? This is an absolute piece of cake, but we're not done yet. Let's just go through here to page 8 because I asked for a specific change to it. Remember when I had hyper personalization and I said, hey, make it retail personalization? Well, look at that here. It did that change for me. I just typed it in and it did its job. That said, here we've got two more options. We can download it as is, open it up in PowerPoint, make some changes, or if you're not too technical, let's say you've got this nice blue color here, but we wanted that to be, I don't know, let's go with something red. Change the color from blue to red for the slide background colors. Oh no, actually that's probably not the way to do it. Let's change the graphic colors to red. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do that. You'll see here that it's going, hey, thanks for the info. Let's go ahead and update the presentation. I'll come back when that's done, show you what we got. All right, welcome back. So there we go. We asked it to change the font and the background colors to red, and it's gone and done that. Now, the font is a little bit odd colored for me, but I wasn't very specific. But look at that here. I asked for the background color to go to red, and there it is. It was literally type in what you want, and it's done. That said, now, if we want to make further changes to it, or if we just want to use it as is, let's click on the little export button up here. It's going to go ahead and cook this up. It's going to make it download it and export it to our desktop. Once I have that, I'm going to open it, show you what we got, and we'll wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's go ahead and open it. I actually downloaded it twice because, hey, why not? Here we go. I'm going to go into my Finder. If you're on a PC, go into your Explorer, go to your downloads, wherever they are, and here we go. I'm going to double click on this here, and watch this. There we go. PowerPoint's opened, and it was literally that easy. This is automation combined with deep research in PowerPoint, and it is amazing. And yes, of course, it is fully editable. So you can see here, I can just put my name in here by Curtis Pike, and on we go. So you have full access to everything you can do in PowerPoint. But this saved me a ton of time. If I was to do this by hand and do it manually, this would have taken me hours. It took me minutes. And again, you can go in here and change everything. So if you're looking to save time, looking to save money, if you are a marketer, if you're a professional, business professional, manager, anything like that that creates PowerPoint presentations, ChatLLM Teams is the best at this in the market, in my personal opinion. You've seen what it can do. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching.